I'm Maria, and what happened at Miami International Airport exposed my family's darkest secrets to the world. My younger brother Carlos was the family prince, handsome, charming, and supposedly a successful entrepreneur. Meanwhile, I was the family failure who wasted money on a useless degree and had a baby as a single mom. They made sure I knew I was worthless every chance they got. The breaking point came when I was stranded at MIA with my infant son during a hurricane. All flights were canceled, hotels were booked, and I was sleeping on benches with dozens of other passengers. When I called for help, my mother said, "We can't leave Carlos's investor dinner. Your poor planning isn't our emergency." Carlos took the phone and laughed. "Maybe try being more responsible next time, Hermana. Some of us have real businesses to run." But here's what they didn't know. Carlos's successful business was actually a money laundering operation for drug dealers. I knew because I had accidentally discovered it when helping him with his taxes. I had kept quiet to protect the family, but that night in the airport, I decided the family didn't deserve my protection. I started documenting everything: bank transfers, fake invoices, meetings with known criminals, photos of cash transactions. Carlos was so arrogant he never bothered hiding his tracks from his failure sister. 6 months later was Carlos's engagement party to the daughter of a prominent judge. Our parents had invited half the city, including police commissioners, business leaders, and political figures. They were so proud of their son, making it big in import-export. But when the congratulatory slideshow was supposed to begin, my evidence compilation started playing instead. Bank records showing massive cash deposits, photos of Carlos with known cartel members, recordings of him bragging about washing dirty money. The room went from celebration to crime scene in seconds. Several guests were actually undercover federal agents who immediately called for backup. Carlos was arrested at his own engagement party, while our parents watched in horror. The investigation that followed destroyed everything. Our family business was seized, our parents' assets frozen, and Carlos got 15 years in federal prison. The judge's daughter broke off the engagement and her family disowned ours completely. Meanwhile, I had used my useless degree to land a job with the FBI's Financial Crimes Unit. Now I help investigate the same type of crimes my brother was running, and I make more money than Carlos ever did illegally. Sometimes the family that calls you a failure needs to watch their golden child fall from the highest tower. Craving more incredible stories of justice and revenge? Click the link below. These family takedowns will blow your mind completely.